Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a powerful trading strategy for the euro-dollar pair. This strategy combines the exponential moving average EMA and the double MACD indicator on a 4-hour time frame to help you make precise trading decisions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this approach can elevate your trading game. The strategy we're discussing today is simple yet effective. We will use a 50-period exponential moving average as our primary trend filter. In addition, we'll leverage the double MACD buy and sell indicator from TradingView, created by Dreadblitz, to generate entry signals. This combination allows us to filter out noise and only take trades in the direction of the prevailing trend. Let's start by setting up our chart. We'll be using the euro-dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame. First, add the 50-period exponential moving average to your chart. This EMA will help us determine the overall trend. Now, let's change its settings. On tab inputs, change the length to 50. On tab style, you can change the color and width of the EMA. Next, add the double MACD buy and sell indicator from TradingView, which is a custom indicator created by Dreadblitz. This indicator was used in a strategy of a Forex competition and was a winner. You can learn more about how to use this indicator in the link above. Let's make some changes to the indicator settings. On tab style, we change the colors of both MACD lines for a better view. On tab input, uncheck all options except the first and last. Now our chart is ready, so let's start with this simple trading strategy. Before we dive into the next part of the strategy, I want to take a quick moment to ask for your support. If you're finding this content valuable and want to stay updated with more trading strategies like this one, please consider subscribing to the channel. Well, let's start. The 50 EMA will act as our trend filter. When the price is above the EMA, we will only look for long trades. Conversely, when the price is below the EMA, we will only look for short trades. This ensures that we trade in the direction of the prevailing trend, increasing our chances of success. For entering a long position, the first thing we'll do is identify a downtrend. We want to see the price below the 50 EMA initially, signaling a bearish trend. As the market begins to reverse, we wait for a buy signal from the double MACD. Once the price crosses above the 50 EMA and breaks the most recent high, that's our confirmation to enter the long position. When the indicator gives a buy signal, we need to draw a line at the most recent high. We will enter the market once the price breaks above this high. For the risk management, we can place a stop-loss order at the previous low. The take-profit order can be placed at 1.5 or 2 times the risk. Now, let's talk about the rules for a short position. First, we have to identify an uptrend, so we want to see the price above the 50 exponential moving average. Once the market begins to reverse, we wait for a sell signal from the double MACD indicator. Then we only have to draw a line at the most recent low. When the price breaks below this recent low, we can place our sell order. The stop-loss order can be placed at the previous high and the take profit at 1.5 or 2 times the risk. Let's walk through a couple of examples to illustrate how this strategy works in real time. Here's a long trade where the price was below the 50 EMA, and we received a buy signal from the double MACD. Notice how we waited for the price to break the previous high before entering the trade. The stop-loss order is placed at the previous low and the take-profit order at 2 times the risk. And here's a short trade where the price was above the 50 EMA, and we received a sell signal from the double MACD. Again, we waited for the price to break the previous low before entering the trade. The stop-loss order can be placed at the previous high, and the take-profit order at 2 times the risk. Well guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you soon, traders.